Six, you guys ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we've got, the number, position one, and I don't know, my NCD's, I don't know if they're number the same or not, but Wyatt Maynard?
Yes, position number one, Your Honor, that's what I have.
Yeah,
Our counsel is present, Mr. Mitchell,
where's he at?
and what's just, I'm right here.
Oh, so I don't
There
know,
he is, he's out. Oh, right.
so, is she here? We here today?
Out.
Yes, I'm sorry. Good afternoon, young man.
Wyatt Mitchell?
Aaliyah Maynard,
Yeah.
she informed me that her ankle monitor was removed at our last
Free
court.
trials, not be removing her ankle.
I'm
I
sorry.
think free trial, is that removed? Who removed
Yeah,
it?
she got a call from her pretrial supervisor.
Hey, they don't, there's no order removing it, so she needs to get it put back on right now.
How do you get an ankle monitor put there? How does that
So it
work?
goes over to second chance, you get to put back on, because pretrial doesn't have the authority about the clerk signature.
Okay,
I didn't know they did it either, so I'll call.
yeah, she's confused too, because,
Yeah.
well, I'm confused, because I said, well, if you're not on the ankle monitor, what are we doing?
Correct,
To
she's
ankle monitor
supposed, I mean, I didn't
compliance.
know until, somebody said they took it off. And they're not supposed to, so she needs to, yeah.
Okay,
Needs to go and say, go back over to second chance and get one put back on.
okay,
Wow, you want to further notice this case to
Yeah.
18 and just check with.
We will, yeah. So
okay.
we'll further notice until August 18th, and you guys come back now, okay?
How often, you come every month for
No,
for this?
I come twice a month, but I don't bring everybody back twice a month.
Okay, all right.
So she can check in with him now.
So until this case gets resolved, we gotta come to court.
Not all the time,
Yeah, well, I mean, every other month.
not necessarily.
Okay.
Last time she didn't show up, and
Oh, that's what it was.
that's it.
Well, I'll let her know real quick to get on that ankle monitor.
All right, so I want it done, before tomorrow, I mean, by tomorrow, she need to get it done, 24 hours, she got
I'll
it.
call right now.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, so, Mr. Derek Wright, which is here, 25 SC 001813 on Freeway Bridges, so his ankle monitor was removed April 5th. So I've got, Amon Van Winkle, number 4, is in jail.
Let's look.
I'm just going through the ones that were taken off. like-
Oh,
Yeah, so, Amon Van Winkle, he's in jail. And, so we'll just, we'll do an order removing it, and Judge Farmer can put it back on. You know,
Yes, Your Honor.
He gets that out. Let's see. We took him number 5. Already, he was here earlier, number 6, Abara Lanzas is in jail, so we'll remove it and leave it to Judge Dunaway to put back on. They're in jail. Number 9, Anthony Townsend is in jail. So we'll remove it and leave it to Judge Law to have it put back on whenever we leave. So, Antoine Peavy, our 14, he's in GDC custody, so, Judge Williams did order to go ahead and remove it. So he's probably got to remove since he is in custody, but she did an order to remove it. Y'all hear that second chance? Okay, so make sure that's removed. And we got, actually, Director number 15, that one was removed in May. So we kept that one on. And, let's see, Ashley Rodriguez. So I talked to, well, you're not with the conflict. I talked to Ms. Gibson, she can train, so we'll reset that one until 18.
They're in New York. Ashley Rodriguez lives in New York City.
I mean, the attorney's in training,
Correct.
and she works for conflict, and,
Cindy Gibson, yes.
yeah, and she doesn't work for the conflict. So we'll take it up then. Let's see. Okay. Oh, number 23, Danny Faber is in jail. So we'll go ahead and move it if, Judge Williams wants to put it back on, she can. He's number 23 and 24. And we've got, number 26, DeMonte Chester. That one is already removed. All right, we got Derek Lewis. That's number 28. I think Mr. Stillwater was here earlier, but that would be, he's in jail, so we'll remove it. Because he's in jail and Carnicel can take care of that. See, I've got That Elijah Jackson. That's the one that they already said get installed. Number 33, did Elijah Jackson get one reinstalled? Safety fence now?
We did send the violation on 7/8. He was in Hampton, Georgia at 2:20 a.m. He's been on a monitor since 9/18/23. He's not currently tracking.
So I think he may have gotten arrested or something and it was taken off or I don't know, but the McBurney order that it be put back on. So I didn't write that one date down, but it's the McBurney order. I don't think that's PD real. Let's see, the McBurney order that it be put back on 5/12, so he's had plenty of time to put it back on. So what we'll do is, we'll reset that one to 8/18, I guess. Was he given proper notice to be here?
I would think we're not any order, we're usually putting your.
Maybe, okay, so maybe he didn't know since it's taken off, or, so we'll reset that one at August 18th. Okay, let's see. Number 35, the jail, Lamar English. So we'll remove that one, and that's the Salisbury, we'll remove that one, and, the Williams never put back on, that's also number 36. Gerald Pack is number 37, that was removed in May. Okay, no, sorry, I can't read my handwriting. Which one? Can't read my handwriting, sorry. Okay, that's the one, right? Yeah, put back on, yeah. So, Jason White, PD? Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, all right, so we'll come back down, so that's all of them, just get taken off right away. All right, so we'll start with number 3. Adrius Holt, 24 SC 005-807. I'll call your name, come on up, I better yet, everybody in here is going to testify, all you clients, all you, people have any commerce, oh yeah, raise your right, anybody's going to testify, raise your right hand? All at one time, everybody, I don't see anybody, oh, may testify, you had an ankle monitor on your, leg. Should have one on your ankle, let me see your right hand. Y'all swear a firm testimony you're gonna give is the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth? Nobody not gonna get right? Because if you were PD, she may not want to talk either, all right? So is, Adrius Holt not here? All right, Cardi, you come up to the. Yeah. This is up now.
And unbelievable accurate, verifiable.
All right, our general motion subject to good notice.
All right, so she'll check that, so we notice, we'll do a bench more. Let's see. It looks like the next one. Yeah, those are y'all quick, number 7, right? Amari Menzies, 25 SC 00103. Amari Menzies, come on up to the Rodney Poole. Your order?
Right here? No, I don't have one, Judge.
So Rodney Poole's not your order?
That's my public attorney, public defender, whatever.
So they can schedule somebody else?
So Ronnie Poole is assigned to Judge Krause's courtroom, and I noted that Judge Krause has Mr. Menzies set for an ankle monitor calendar herself on August the 5th.
That's all she had to say for something, let's see. Oh, because that's already done. There's a motion, filed in April. To modify the bond in April, was. It was moved by whoever his lawyer was. Or they got transferred to. So that was one of the modified, yeah, that is transferred to Kraus from Cornerfeld. You want to give me what's done with him and I'll email Judge Kraus and then maybe you want to have him back twice?
He's been on a monitor since 9/18/23. He is currently tracking, but he does have violations. The most recent, was an inclusion zone on 7.5. We did speak with him on 7.9 in regards to him having to relocate, so we need a new address. There was also a device tamper on 7.13.
I see you keep putting in a change of address in here. It looks like, I don't know if you said this, you keep putting in a change of address. So unless you want it real simple, I was looking for one for answers. Have you had any problems with it, like sliding, where you're working or doing something, you did it,
Well, I can answer, right?
you asked her.
Can I answer? Yes, I do. Sometimes I do mess up when I'm working. Like, I never temper with it though. Never.
Sounds like no intentional tampering, Your Honor, but some related to work.
So it looks like you're moving a few times and let either Judge Carnes or Judge Kraus know. I'm gonna email her, so he's had it on since 9/18/22. And I'll copy those out on the emails to see if Judge Kraus wants it removed since that motion was already filed. All right, sir, so until then, just keep it charged and make sure to keep it on. I'm gonna email this lawyer and the prosecutor and see what Judge Kraus says about removing it. If it is, if she says yes, I'll let them know, and then you can go to second chance, okay?
All
All
right.
right, have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So you got, let's see, Anthony, James. There's Mr. James, that's, number 824 SC 006313. All right, second chance.
He's been on the monitor since 9/20/23. He's currently tracking without violations, except for this morning. He did have a dead battery notice, but we noticed he was charging it out in the hall.
So it's been fine except for that. It's still in this column, but have you had a chance to look it over, A?
Yes, it's actually Mr. Dobbs' case, but given the nature of the charge and how long he's been on the ankle monitor, we are asking the court, and it's a non-complex case, the court would remove the monitor today.
Yeah, Mr. It's been on since September of 23.
Let's see here. This is a non-complex too.
Right.
All right. Let me see something, just briefly.
Yeah, they're all non-violent. It's not-
The alarm is still.
Does that?
It was never lost the computer.
My computer, I got kicked out of Odyssey.
Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh, no.
These one of the charges or?
Yes, Judge, that is it.
Yeah, forgery, negotiating, printing checks, death by taking, death by deception. He's had it on since 2023.
Let's see here. All right, can you get this one? Judge, at this time, we'll leave it in your discretion. I can't see the
We'll go
charge.
ahead and do a quarter to remove it, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
So
Yes,
you wanna
ma'am.
go over
Thank
here,
you.
I'll take care of it all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We have permission to remove without recommendation.
Yes, go ahead. So we did number 9, is in jail, let's see, number 10 is Antoine Demetrius Moon, 25 SC 001 981. You wanna come over to the podium? Spoke your lawyer, sir?
Yes,
Is he gonna come today?
he's supposed to be in. He's supposed to be in here.
Here for Mr. Petey.
He's with my office, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you folks assign.
Great, so tell me about Mr. Moon, number 10.
Been on the monitor since 8/4/24. He's currently tracking. He does have some herpes violations as well as device tamper. 5.7 was a device tamper, 5.28 was an inclusion zone. 7.6, there was a no motion, which can mean many things, and 7.20, there was also a no motion.
I think he's asleep or just.
Slept it off, possibly,
Right.
hopefully not.
Alright. This is, Judge Farmer. Eric, what do you think there was going to? Mr. Arnold, what do you think?
Judge, yeah, given the circumstances, been on for a year, I'm not gonna request a revocation, in connection with, these violations. However, I will, because of the nature of the charge and, request that the ankle monitor remain.
So it looks like it's scheduled in September 2023 for status conference with Judge Farmer. So I'll email Judge Farmer, just let me, 8/4/24, right? So it's
Correct.
on here, all right, keep it charged, we'll flip it on, flip it off. Move it
Um,
around.
Some, been going on with
They
this.
they can put a new one on you right there, all right? So I'll email Judge Farmer and ask him, so maybe if he okays it, maybe we can take it off before your next court, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks, sir. Number 11, Antonio Cruz, 24 SC 0000864. Antonio Cruz. Or once, I went twice.
Subject to, the notice you're on the state court.
All right, give me anything. We'll check that address, subject to notice.
If you're.
All right. That's position 12, Antonio Crowd. 25 SC 002257. Antonio Crowd.
Same motion, Your Honor.
Subject good notice. It looks like, correct me, you've had his on since 9/28/23.
9/15/23. Hasn't tracked since 10/12/24. We tried to communicate 2/14 with the family member.
So does a pre-trial, you show another arrest or something, that maybe he's incarcerated?
Your Honor, I'm having a hard time hearing you.
Do you show where he was incarcerated?
Your Honor, she needs you to unmute your mic.
Do you show where he has been incarcerated?
One moment.
It
No,
is.
Your Honor, I don't.
Okay, so we'll reach out to Mr. Hudson, copy you and see, because that's a long time to go without anything if it hasn't been removed. All right, let's see. Now, number 13 is Antoine Hart, 25 SC 002825. This was assigned to Mr. Cho, whom I know isn't with your office anymore.
It's not part Clayton. It looks like he had to clean arraignment late in the evening. June 6th.
All right, so you're Mr. Hart?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, what do we got from Mr. Hart?
He's been on the monitor since 8/7/23. He's currently not tracking. He does have dead batteries, but this is prior to our taking over the contract, so we have very little information.
Are you having problems with it charging?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You got, who is this one assigned to? Oh, Judge Barwick. Anything, Mr. Jenkins?
Other than maybe,
23.
are you having any other issues? Maybe they can check the device, but, at this point, with the nature of the charge. Why something seriously went, so,
What?
we would like the monitor to stay.
It's alleged that you punched the sister? Okay, I'll email Judge Barwick on that too, okay? Because 8/7/2023. Has,
Get some updated information, that would be.
yeah, if you'll go over there and give them like your updated information,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll take care of that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, sir. And if you're having problems with it, just have them give you a new one.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's see. Now we're going to, so Ashley Rodriguez, I don't think he's here, but Ms. Gibson's in training, so we'll go number 17, Brandon Stewart, 25 SC 000319. Brandon Stewart. Brandon Stewart. Mr. Jenkins?
Your Honor, state, but they have on, forfeiture subject to good notice.
All right. We'll do that a bit for subject to good notice. Number 18, Christian Dixon, 25 SC 002853.
I'm gonna stay with us for a bench warrant, to adjourn this as well.
All right, what do we have there for him?
Been on the monitor since 10/9/23, has not tracked since 1/30/24, and have had no communication. This is also prior to us taking over the contract on 4/26/24.
Your Honor, just also for the record, the defendant has active warrants from Jackson County and is not that conversation.
Okay, All right, so we'll get a bench warrant on that subject. Good notice. What about, let's see,
Judge, that's when it gets the calendar.
absolutely, have a good week. We got, number 19 is Cheyenne Best, 25 SC 001080. Cheyenne Best.
Same motion, Your Honor. So, good notice.
So when did this one have it on? When was this one put on? Best number 2019, how long has that one been on?
11/5/24. It's not currently tracking. We had no location. Last note was on 11/6, which is the day after. It's not communicated since. We have tried to reach out to them on 2/13/25 with no communication, and on 5/9, they requested to have, oh no, we sent out another request to charge, again, no communication.
All right, Ms. Feely, if you just tell Miss, because this was just like, I mean, I'm not making light of it, it's shoplifting and, you know, maybe it should have been, or they'd have been taken care of, maybe we could get it off. So we'll issue a bench warrant subject, good notice. Number 20, Corey Taylor, 23 SC 187520. There you go, Mr. Taylor, here he comes. All right, what do we have for Mr. Taylor?
It's 5/14/23. He's currently tracking. He has a few dead battery issues, but mainly it's because we think he is not charging them long enough. 7/5, 7/10, 7/15, and 7/20 were dead batteries. He needs to charge longer than 25 minutes.
Doing deliveries,
Okay, 24/7?
not 24/7.
Yeah. So you could probably like when you go home, eat dinner, something like that, right?
So dealing with the kids, I'll try to put it on the charger, but then I'll be moving around with the kids. I got 3 kids.
You got somebody help you? That's your
It's
excuse.
just me.
That's your, I was gonna say that was your excuse right there. You know, I gotta charge mine. Come on, I can't.
Nah, it's just me with the kids.
All right, so you just, I mean, if you're gonna charge it for 20, 30 minutes, then do it often, I guess, you know? You can, like, right before you go to bed, whatever you do there. And had it on since 5/14/24, so, I mean. All right, and I'll email Judge Cox. That's a while to have it on. I don't think he has anything, I don't think you have anything scheduled from Judge Cox. 20, sorry. Oh, well, 8/6 is your trial, so I'll go ahead and email Judge Cox, okay? Because you got a trial coming up. Thank you, sir. Just make sure it gets charged, okay? All right, let's see, I've got number 21, Corey Shepherd, 25 SC 001422. And I know Mr. Matthews is upstairs. I think they got a verdict and a sentence.
He did have a conflict letter filed for the day.
Yeah. How's his doing?
He's been on monitor since 10/12/23. It is currently tracking. He does have violations, mostly for curfew. His curfew is between 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. He was tracked at 375 Auburn Avenue, 7/17 at 2:41 in the morning. He was also issued a dead battery notice on 6/8.
All right, so, all right, so this one is, all right, tell you what, we'll put you back on, because you've had it on since 10/12/23, but it's non-complex. So we'll hear from Mr. Matthews, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
in August, but until then, so 7 p.m., 7 a.m.
I'm working at Bulkhead Pizza, and I get off. I work from 5 to 12. So I mean, I just started like.
So what you probably want to do is call Mr. Matthews, but you also, if you do that, then you need to let the ankle monitoring company know. You can call them, email them, say, hey, I'm working at Domino's tonight at this address, whatever, okay?
But I need a new charger, cause my rabbit ate my charger. So that's how I just lost it. That's how I ain't charged.
Okay, they'll get you a new one right over there. If anything else happens, reach out to them, okay?
Yes,
Can you just put this back on for September so that 8, August, no, because that's the bond plea. What else do you have? Is there something before then?
I was supposed to put them on here and,
Okay. Okay. All right, let's see. Number 22 is Curtis Weaver, 25 SC 001368. Mr. Weaver, is Leon Hicks with your office too?
No.
Oh,
He said he'd be here, but.
all right. Have you heard from him, by the way?
Yeah, he texted me and said he's not gonna be here. He in another court today.
Oh, okay. All right, so what do we have for Mr. Weaver?
He's been on the monitor since 5/23/24. He's currently tracking with no violations.
You have anything? All right, so that's good. Just keep it up and I'll email Judge Cox. People that don't have violations and maybe he'll consider taking it off because I don't see we have anything else on the calendar coming up. So I wouldn't want you to have to keep wearing it. I'll email Judge Cox, okay? So just
Okay.
tell, your lawyer can just reach out to me and Mr. Jenkins. All right, just keep it charged, keep doing good. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
All right, so we removed the two Danny Favors. Now I've got number 25, David, I guess it's Nime, 25 SC 001672. David Nime, or Neem. Mr. Jenkins.
Yes, Your Honor, subject to good notice, they request what's more possible.
All right, we'll take care of that. Now I've got number 27, Derek Arnold, 25 SC 000604. Derek Arnold. Derek,
Notion, Your Honor.
all right. Bench warrant is subject to notice. All right, so we took off Derek Lewis. Now we've got Deshaun Richards, 24 SC 005346.
Afternoon, Judge.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Doing well, doing well. All right, so tell me about Mr. Richards.
He's been on the monitor since 6/28/23. He is currently tracking, but he does have inclusion zone violations. We need updated work schedules. We spoke with him on 7/20. The address that we have on file for his home was also stated as his work address, so we have a little conflict there. So the inclusion zone violations have been,
There, all right, so you gotta keep them up to date on where you're living. And unless you're like, there's a couple of places where there's businesses and there's, you know, like at a funeral home where they live right above the funeral home. So I'm sure you don't live at wherever you work. You gotta keep them updated on where you're working, and if there's places you're not supposed to be, then don't go by there. Cause they can see, like, if you weren't supposed to be at 136 Prior Street, however, you gotta go to work down Prior Street, they can tell when you just drive by on your way to work, or if you drive by, stop, come in and walk around because you're there for longer than a couple minutes. Make sense? And you had it on since 23, so I'll email Judge Cox. I don't think I see anything else coming up for you either. Yeah, I'll ask Judge Cox and see what, I don't think, has there been any other arrests or anything pre-trial? I mean, yeah, pre-trial.
One moment, Your Honor, while I look.
That's a long time to have it on.
Yes, it is, Judge.
No, Your Honor, no, nothing on the GCIC since this arrest.
All right, I'll include that with, to Judge Cox and let you know, okay? All right, thank you, sir. Make sure you keep it charged. If you have any problems with it, you need a new charger, reach out to the ankle monitor people, okay? They're right there. Yeah, and go over there and give them your updated address of where you work. But make sure if you go to work, give them a schedule and location. All right, let's see, we've got number 30. 25 SC 002571. It's Deomanic Jackson. Deomanic, is that how you say that?
I'm not sure, Your Honor, but this actually was indicted to NC2, and I believe Judge Brooks, I believe in this court, and they already have a individual.
Would they have something else? Yeah, so we'll just, go ahead, Mr. Jenkins.
Is there an active warrant for him as it speaks?
Yes.
He would be going into custody anyway, so,
Subject notice, another one?
yes.
All right. Number 31 is Douglas Croft, 25 SC 001669. All right, let's see. So what do we got going, Mr. Croft? Are we good?
Since 12/5/24, he's currently tracking with no violations.
All right. So not quite a year. All right, just keep it done. If you have any problems charging it,
2023.
you've had it on since when?
Since 2023.
Oh, she said 2024.
We showed 12/5/24.
It's been a while.
See if you got anything in for Judge Dunaway.
Companies could change.
I have 12/5 of 2024.
Guess were there a turnover in companies at that time?
No, we changed over in 4.
Okay, so it may have been, okay, I'll email Judge Dunaway because it looks like you got a final plea 8/27.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I don't know if that's something you're hoping to work out, but I'll at least let him know. So maybe he can consider it there too. All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, number 32, I think it's Eder Brooks, 23 SC 190504. Mr. Jenkins?
Run the state, what?
All right, we'll check. All right, we'll check the address. So, and Elijah Jackson, we said we would, Elijah, so did you go get your bench warrant, your ankle monitor put back on? Come on up here to the front, would you? All right, what do we got with Mr. Jackson?
Been on the monitor since 9/18 of 23. Not tracking last location unknown. No location since 7/8 of 25. From what we can tell, as of 2:20 a.m. 7/8, he was in Hampton, Georgia, which is also a violation of the school.
All right, so when did you get it put back on? 7/8?
I got it, I'm not sure, but I think it was like a couple months ago.
Okay, so in May?
Yeah, and I wasn't able to charge it because right now we don't have I don't know where to charge it. We don't got nowhere to stay. And I did charge it at a parking lot, but security told me to leave. And I didn't know it was violations to where I was supposed to be at and stuff. Like Hampton, Georgia, I didn't know I was supposed to
You never got a copy of
didn't
your
know
bond
nothing.
order?
No.
So when you got out on bond, did you get out on bond from first appearance?
No, I got it on bond. I think it was third appearance.
Did you see
or
me?
Second. I'm not sure.
I'm sorry, yeah.
Was that, it was what?
Judge Roy, I think.
Judge who?
What's the name?
Ward,
Ward.
it's a man, I don't know.
Judge
Hughes, no.
Oh, okay, okay, let's see. Say 3 That's one, okay.
You said you do, roadie, that driver app for deliveries.
Hold on. Here's what your bond order says. No further contact with Annie Sams, S-A-M-S. No weapons, 24-hour curfew, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. except for school, in person, or work. So do you live in Hampton?
No, I was working I was doing roadie. It's a delivery app, so it just be bringing me to different places.
So,
It
yeah,
depends.
so this says that, this says you're supposed to be home from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. unless you're working or in school. So have you reached out the second chance, say, hey, I'm working? So you gotta keep it charged.
I didn't even know I had a curfew. The judge told me that he gonna put me on the ankle monitor. He didn't say nothing about a curfew. He just said he gonna put me on the ankle monitor to see where I was at. And
Was this judge kind of a
That's it.
skinny blonde?
I think, yeah, he had
That was my law partner. So was that she, Holly Hughes?
it was a male judge though.
No, I think Judge McBurney told you to put it back on.
I think that was a
Skinny
judge.
guy, but he wants you to put it back on, but you're saying bond conditions apply. So when you go to work or anything like that, or school, you've got to let second chance know when you're working. And you do have to keep it charged. If you don't keep it charged, it's a violation. You don't have any family to stay with or anything?
Nah. So I don't know how to
Who's
charge.
with you? Is that,
That's my mother.
I'm his mother, and, it's been hard trying to find somewhere to stay, because it keeps saying I have an eviction from 10 years ago.
right,
But we were never evicted, so it's been barring us from having a place to stay.
right.
So, he's in the car, the curfew is, I'm with him, and we do road. Miss Lacy Wood, she's his public defender. I don't know why she's not here.
Well, we got somebody from the public defender's office right here in the green jacket. She's here kind of for all the public defender cases. I'm not thinking of.
Cause he did 3 months for the failure to,
No.
appear.
Yeah. I'm just going blank on somewhere. Maybe you could go get some sort of help getting a place to stay, huh? What's that?
City of Refuge, something like that.
Yeah, have you guys contacted the City of Refuge?
That's like, they try to split you up. They don't try to put you in, help you get on your feet. They want you staying separate. You know, like not together as a family, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I only know a couple of places that do it as a family. I mean, they do it at my temple, but I know that's full because they got married couples and kids and they've only got a few spaces, but, trying to think of something. I'm sure Ms. Wood can probably connect you with something, right? You guys often have something, maybe where both of y'all can. So when you're here, you know, you can go ahead and charge it, because I guess, you know, I don't want you to have to get in trouble again. And I can appreciate what you're saying. I get it. But let's just try to do this so you can get back and go to, because your trial is on September 25th, and then it should be over.
That's the next court date?
Well, your next court date's 8/5, and that's your final plea. So you could talk to Ms. Woods about that. So maybe that's going to give that's the next time he's going to say, all right, do you want to plea? No, then he's set it for trial in September.
So the next court date is September 25th,
Well, it's August the 5th
August, okay.
at 9 a.m. in Judge McBurney's courtroom, that same courtroom you went to before,
Okay.
with a tall guy with the brown hair.
Yeah, that's the lady from the other place said Ms. Ward. I'm sorry,
Oh,
guys.
it's McBurney,
Okay.
Judge McBurney, okay? All right, sir.
I would like to request if there is any contact information that we can use.
You got cell phones somewhere?
Yeah.
Can you reach over there and give them the contact info? So you can go over there and give them the contact info, okay? But ma'am, I mean, it's got to be somebody to get in touch with him, not necessarily you.
That's okay.
Okay, all right. All right, let's see. Now I've got position 34, Felton Jordan, 24 SC 005-032. Where's our deputy? Oh, yeah. I didn't see you sitting there, LT, sorry. No, that one's.
I think someone double check that.
No, I think it said it was not active. Did you check that?
I didn't have all the information. I need date of birth.
All right, let's see. What do we got for Mr. Jordan?
He's been on the monitor since 8/23/23. He's currently tracking. We also show that he had a failure to appear on an active warrant. He was put on a list for us to remove for violations.
All right, do us a favor, okay? Let us check on that. So you just go over there and sit in the jury box for me, okay? So you had him on the list of removing and over here in the jury box. Yeah.
Yeah, for guitar purpose.
Because, okay, so go back over there, let's check on that, okay. Is there an order, did Ms. Burns do an order to have it removed?
On the list for removal per Department Burns.
Yeah. Ms. Burns, did you do an order for it to be removed?
We did not.
No, I know she's on Zoom, so I'm asking her if she did an order.
No, Your Honor.
You didn't give me one? Okay, all right.
No, that would come from Ms. Chavis.
Okay, all right, I'll ask, then I'll ask Judge Cornacell. So you removed it, when did you remove it? I'll ask Judge Cornacell too, okay? All right, let's see, let's go to number 38, if I'm correct. That's Gregory Rumble, 25 SC 002925.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
How are you doing? Come on up.
Oh, thank you. I was appointed to this case, but I'm not sure if Mr. Rumble's here. He hasn't stood up. So I have a number for him. I can call him.
All right, yeah, if you want, you can.
Yes,
So you
I
just
do.
got in the case?
Yes, Your Honor. I got to file an entry.
Oh, okay. You want to hear from them? Go ahead. What do we have for Mr. Rumble?
He was put on the monitor on 8/2/23. He's not tracking currently violations or last known locations unknown. He was deactivated on 6/18/25 for Petard Mills.
It's very possible he's in custody. Reading his incident, well, the warrant, he was in custody at the time that that the officer who took out the warrant, at that time he was in Newton County jail. So I'll call his grandmother.
Yeah, just let us know, okay?
Yeah, I'll do
All right,
that.
because even though Ms. Burns says we still have to have like an order to take it off, but or it's still on, you know. All right, yeah, just let us know, okay?
I'll do that.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see.
Your Honor, he was removed because he already has an active warrant.
Yeah,
For this case.
yeah. Okay, yeah, I think he may already have FTA from April.
Okay.
So yeah, let's check, because for some reason I know he's been on there. He may be in custody somewhere, so yeah, let us know.
I'll
Thank
find
you.
out.
All right, now I've got, let's see. Number 39 is Herschel Bramble, 24 SC 002439. Did you get your ankle monitor put back on?
No.
Judge Williams, I think, said put it back on. Let's stand by. Let's see. Make sure I'm not misreading my handwriting, which is a possibility. So when did it get taken off?
What was that?
When was it taken off?
Oh, no, it wasn't taken off. It had broken off.
Okay,
But
did
I
you reach
remember-
out the second chance?
No, I didn't.
So you hadn't had one on?
No, not for the past maybe week. It's probably been a week.
7/3/25, last known communication, tracking. He's been on the monitor since 9/25/23, but not tracking.
7/3?
That's July the 3rd. So has it been tracking before then?
Yes.
When was
Okay.
the last time tracking?
July the 3rd.
Was 7/3/25 from Madison Grace Avenue.
I have it, but it's clearly something wrong with it because that's not
Well,
true.
if it's not on and it's broken, it's not tracking.
Oh, but it's only
You said a couple of weeks.
21st. No, it's been like a week. It's probably been a week, if
Maybe-
that.
maybe the
Actually, it
battery-
was last Wednesday.
Right. Maybe the battery was dead. I don't know. But, so go over there and get another one.
Okay.
Okay?
Question, do you know when my court date would be? I've been on an ankle monitor for like 2 years.
Yeah, I'm gonna email because it was September 2023. I'll let Judge, you don't have another court date, so I'll let Judge Wibbs know how long you've had it on, okay?
Thank you.
All right. And is Jason White your lawyer still?
No.
Do you know who it is?
No, I don't have to rehire a lawyer.
Okay. When you do, let whoever that is, have them
Okay.
do an intro. Yes, ma'am?
We need to get the monitor off of him since he's being taken back into custody, if that's possible.
Oh, yeah, okay. ALT, they're gonna get that monitor off of him that he's got on his leg. Which one is that one? Is that one's Felton? Jordan? That was Felton Jordan? Okay, so we'll do that order, removing it due to an FTA, being arrested on the FTA. Will you tell Ms. Collins that?
Yes, that's,
Number 34?
yes, it's, or
Or whoever,
but I'll.
whoever it is now. All right, so now we got, so we got Herschel Bramble, that's who we just heard. Now last one is number 40, Orlando Rodas Herrera, 25 SC 001579. Nope,
We show the case is closed.
let's see.
7/15/25, it's one of those.
So 15, okay.
I'm not sure why you show it closed. It's in judicial hold from Lefford, and there's FTA as of May, but it's not closed.
Okay, on the next subject, President, well, I guess we can have an additional warrant.
All right, subject to notice.
Yes, Your Honor.
And with that one, what we'll do, like I said, is remove it, do an order to remove it, but then it's subject to Judge Lefford's putting it back on.
Good, Judge.
All right. I got people in here I don't know. So did you get everything you needed?
I need, you said it was August.
I think I said August 5th. I don't, no, for his next court date. Remind me your last name again.
Number 33.
Okay. Hmm.
8/5 at 9 a.m. before Judge McBurney.
August 5th at 9 a.m. August the 5th at 9 a.m. August the 5th at 9 a.m. One more time, August the 5th at 9 a.m. in front of Judge McBurney in courtroom 8D as in David. 8D as in David.
Did you say something about September 25th?
That's a trial date. Just don't, be there in August. And then they'll tell you the next. Yeah. Yes, okay, stand by. Yes, ma'am.
Hey,
Uh-huh.
the LTA was because he was trying to make a date clear at the traffic court.
I don't know. He checked it,
It's still active.
so it's still active. What traffic court?
Right down here, is there where I can go?
At the city of Atlanta?
Yes, ma'am.
The city of Atlanta can't recall a bench warrant from Superior Court.
He was in the
No,
wrong
no,
court.
I was in the wrong courtroom. I was in the wrong courtroom.
Hold on.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Yeah, I was just in the wrong courtroom. That's why they rescheduled the court meeting.
Stand by. All right, who else? Is there anybody else I haven't? What's your name?
So I'm here, you called Jamal English earlier, I just wanted to hear the status on his, he having a violation for the ankle monitor, because you know he's in, he's on hold for 14, but he's in that Atlanta detention center, and he still has that ankle monitor on, and the last time.
Hold, 1 sec. Let me do one at a time. I'm just saying what you had just raised your hand. So this was, there was a motion to revoke bond filed in January of 25. Because it looks like you missed court in,
I was
let
in
me
the
finish.
same courtroom.
Let me finish.
Yes, ma'am.
November of 2024. And then the state has just done a motion, so that was placed in judicial hold. The state did a motion to revoke bond in January of 2025. And it doesn't, nobody recalled it, so.
I returned to court and I got the papers to show that I went and seen them.
Well, you just have to stand by and let's check with Judge Cornacell.
Cause they told, they said it might still come up in the system, but as long as I go through the process and come back, I've been back and I haven't got in trouble or nothing.
Okay, let me reach out to Judge Cornacell, okay? Because all we can go by is what's on there. All
That's
right, you can just have a seat over there, okay? Go ahead.
Gregory Rumble has been in the DeKalb County Jail since June of last year.
The cab. Well, there you go.
Gregory Rumble.
So that's number 38. So he's been in the cab?
That's what the grandmother told me.
All right, since last year. So we'll remove it. But subject to it being placed back on, because he's got an FTA from, so yeah, subject to Judge Williams putting it back on.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Okay, now, what's the person's name?
Jamal English.
Number 35 and 36, Judge.
It's been removed because he's in jail.
No, it's still on.
It's been removed because he's in jail.
Okay, when did y'all remove it?
He's in jail, so I'm doing an order saying remove it.
Okay, okay.
Oh, yeah, I don't know, I mean, yeah, he's in jail, so they should have took it off when he went to jail.
Wait, no, he didn't want to take off, because we assumed he was gonna come back, we did the LTA motion last week, but, no, I talked to him.
No, because he's one of them, oh, he's one that was there that they didn't bring over today they were supposed to? Cause it's been 15 days, that's about right. Did he get taken into custody last time he was here?
No.
No?
He's been in custody since 16th of June of last month.
Okay.
16. We had a hearing where you had to come up to Fannin. Remember you did the PTO?
Yeah.
I'm Alicia.
Okay.
Yeah. So he's been in custody since the 16th of last month, and he had ankle monitor going in, and he told him don't cut it off because he didn't know what was going on. So it's on as of this morning when I spoke to him.
All right, but so we'll go ahead and remove it and then Judge Williams can put it back on whenever he gets out.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
So he's over at the jail.
Yeah, he's at the Atlanta detention center because they moved him from Fulton County, because you know they have their people here.
Oh, yeah, that they did.
Someone left a pink phone.
No, it's fine.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
I was running 10, maybe 15 minutes late.
What's your name? Come up here. Antonio what? That's number 11. That'd be number 11, folks. So it says it's Mr. Dobbs. It's 24 SC 000864. What do you say, second chance?
He's been on a monitor since 10/31 of 23. He's currently tracking. He does have some inclusion violation for 1102 Lawton Place Southwest. And I will go to the Last night communication, defendant has moved as of 9:35 this morning. That was taken as of 5:52 yesterday. Prior to that, on 7/6 of 25, we spoke with, or we sent an email in regard to his infraction.
All right. Is that a specific, I'm trying to pull the bond order, see if that's a specific address. Let's see, I can tell reading this that I did it. This is stay out of Fulton County. So where you living?
3215 Cushman Circle, but.
And where is that at? What county is that in?
Fulton. See, here's the thing with this. I've been trying to get in court by these ankle monitors for so long since like the first 3 months since I got
You
out.
know who his new lawyer is?
That's gonna be, it's George Dobbs, it's Judge.
Okay, oh, so he moved now, he's not in, okay. Have you talked to Mr. Dobbs?
No, I called him, but he ain't answered. I left a message and everything. Called for to be talking with him with my case, but I wasn't able to talk to him. But with my last attorney, I had her to put in the motion to get me back in court about ankle monitor, because she was telling me that I ain't supposed to be in Fulton. Yes, and I was unaware of that because I didn't go to court when I got the bond.
Hold on.
My attorney went for me. I still was in at the county jail when
So you didn't show up on a video?
I didn't go. They told me my court date was scheduled. So 3 weeks prior to that, I called.
So it was at night after 5 o'clock and you didn't show up sitting in the booth? Remember me?
Again?
You didn't show up sitting in the booth, remember me? Because I heard all those bonds at night. Your bond was set, it was set in the evening.
No.
Are you sure?
No, I got incarcerated like a month, 30 days after that on some more charges.
Mm-hmm.
Then I went to court for that bond. And they gave me a bond for them charges, them new charges.
But the other one was still in place.
Right, but I wasn't born from Fulton. I resigned in Fulton my whole life. I've been in Fulton my whole life. I was born and raised here.
I don't know who showed up that day, but for some reason I told you to stay out of the county.
No, if I heard that, I would have said, man, how can I resign here? I've been here all my life. Like, I never stayed outside of Fulton.
Let's see. Yeah, because most of them that showed up at night, they were able to say it. Let's see.
Yeah, I remember me seeing you on one bond, but my second bond I had got, cause I got rearrested.
Allegedly offended, right?
So, and that time
So
I
was
didn't
now
go to
Mr.
court.
Dobbs?
It is, and it appears that Mr. Cruz has been appearing for Judge Brooks' court dates, and I didn't see on the case number we have him on that he was banned from Fulton County. I can imagine the court's looking at something.
The other
else.
one, the other charge. So if you reach out to Mr. Dobbs, let me see, let me see one thing. Because usually I said, do you live or work in Fulton County? Have any reason to come to Fulton County? And most time he said no. And I said, good, stay out of Fulton County.
I remember that. I have nowhere to go outside of Fulton. Like all my family inside of Fulton. So
Oh, that's probably it because of the. I can probably go back and look at my notes, but all right. So I guess you just need to get, have you updated them with the new address? Ankle monitor people?
that's I really, to be honest, and I've been telling my attorney that I've been trying to get in the court by the ankle monitor. I really ain't got no like my own place. So like I've been at my mother's house.
I don't want you to say something when you move or you get a new address, you tell Judge Kraus or non-complex Judge Brooks, but do you tell Second Chance Monitoring that, hey, this week I'm staying at 136 Prior Street? Do you let them know when you're staying at a different address?
Nah, all the time. I'm gonna be honest, not all the time.
Yeah, so you need to do that. So you need to tell them where you've been staying, and I'm sure that, she'll tell the public defender, Mr. Dobbs, to do something, and if, he comes into, Ms. Bailey, if he gets a consent with the DA's office, then we can modify that part. Okay, but you gotta keep them up, and if it's remove it, I mean, I don't know, he's had it on since October of 23. All right, so she'll talk to Mr., so you need to reach out to Mr. Dobbs, okay?
Okay.
And she'll tell him that if they can work out a consent, then we'll take care of it, okay? That's probably the easiest thing for them to do, all right? But you need to keep them, every time you move, even if it's you're gonna be somewhere for a night, you need to let them know, hey, I'm staying over here, okay? All right, take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anything else?
He's gonna continue to receive violations.
All right, so, well, can you reach out to Mr. Dobbs Mr. Jenkins, do you have any objection to modifying that part? So that he could be here in Fulton County? But at night, I usually do it because I said, do you live or work or whatever?
What's his charge?
Possession of cocaine, firearm, and obscured missing license plate.
Why was the ban on pool?
I don't know. I guess it may be because of the gun and the drugs and usually if I say, it may could be because of his history or whatever.
What judge initially put that up?
So it's usually because of their history if they got a lot of offenses. But I asked, do you have any reason to come back to Fulton County? So it could have been the history. What's that?
I said I have no objection to my.
All right.
Do you want to hear the history from the pretrial officer?
I mean, he's had it on since 2023. Yeah, where's pretrial? What was his history? Or has he had any other arrests besides the one he just told us about?
Your Honor, which position is that?
Number 11. Yeah.
Okay, bear with my computer's going slow. I'm pulling it up right now.
So Let me see, if it's just put on there to, unless I say something different, to just only point you're modifying right now is the address, so he can live in Fulton County. So just remove that. All other conditions remain in place until they get to talk to Mr. Dobbs. He can, yeah, he can reside and work in Fulton. Right now, yeah, until Mr. Dobbs. He chats with Mr. Dobbs.
No, Your Honor, there's no activity on the GCIC since this arrest.
Okay, okay. All right, I appreciate it. Thank you. So we'll modify it, Mr. Cruz, Mr. Cruz. So we'll let you live in Fulton County, but talk to Mr. Dobbs, and she'll remind them too that you want to talk to him about removing the ankle monitor, okay? If y'all come up with a consent, once Mr. Dobbs is able to talk to you, then we'll talk about removing it. All right? So you can live in Fulton County. Okay? But talk to Mr. Dobbs, and if they come up with a consent, not today, but later, to remove the ankle monitor, they can, Mr. Jenkins know they can send it to me.
All right.
All right?
And I got a question, right? It's like this thing, right, with my address that I got on file. This won't stand it, but you know, I'm growing, my mama growing, you know, some rules she don't like she really be on my butt like, but you too grown, get stuck together. So we be bumping heads, so I might have to go to my girl house sometimes. She was telling me I can't have two addresses on file. So I'm trying to see how can I do this, like, can I switch my address from that and just stay with my girl? Like, say, for instance, I won't just move my girl, like, come on, I'm done. I want to move my girl. Can I switch my address?
Hold on a second.
It'd be too much, like, with it. I ain't trying to go back. I ain't trying to get no violation.
So have you been working?
Huh?
Have you been working?
I'm currently working.
Okay.
I'm currently finding work. I mean,
Because this is, so talk to, Mr. Jenkins.
He is not, and I'm looking at, he's got a whole lot of violations.
Yeah, that's why I would have put, yeah. All right,
What the
so,
violations about though?
Did you say that, you know, this is a social service
Right.
organization, and so regardless of what is, we can't get along with his mom, his girlfriend, that's not our problem.
that's a you problem.
Yes.
So I can't switch my address, basically.
Well, I'll tell you what, think about it like this. Your mama's always gonna be there for you. So if so they send a court notice to your mama's house, she's gonna tell you. But if you get in a fight with a girl, she gets the notice and she's mad at you, she's gonna say, huh, and then you're gonna go back to jail.
All right, I ain't put my mailing address. It's just the address on file where I'm be at with the
Right.
ankle.
So that's why you need to
with
talk to
second
Mr.
chance.
Dobbs. That's why you need to talk to Mr. Dobbs, okay?
Okay.
So talk to Mr. Dobbs and they come up with something, we can do it, but not today. So right now, just tell your mama to hang on.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
And tell her Mr. Jenkins said that, not the judge. I'm scared of mamas. I'm just kidding. No, tell your mama just to hang on, okay?
I'm even a dog.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, mom wouldn't let me come back home. All right, is that it? Anything else?
I think that may be it.
We'll get yours. I gotta call Judge Cornstead. All right, that's it. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter. Thank you, pretrial.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Mm.